I have a 2016 Duramax, and it's got about 47,000 miles on it. Figure it's probably time to change the cabin air filter. Change it to a STP 1914P. So the way we get at this guy, there's 4 screws we got to get at. They're T15s. There's one there, one there, and you need to open up one there, one over there. So I'll go ahead and pull those out and we'll get to the next step. So I've gone ahead and gotten all 4 screws out, and then to pull the glove box off, you do need to open the upper one. You can see right here is the cut line that goes across. That's where we're going to be pulling. Pull that whole section out, and this whole thing should come out in one piece. There's 2 clips, and it just comes right out. So I'll go ahead and set this down, get ready for the next step. So before I go into the next step, here's the retainer clip that we pulled out. They go right in that section there, and down there. That'll hold the glove box in when we go to put this thing back. The actual cabin air filter is back up underneath here, and there's just 2 tabs to hit to take this door off. One on this side, you can see the one back there. It's right here, kind of in the little tough spot. Wow, this thing is pretty dirty. So I'm going to clean this thing up before I put the next one in. You can see all the pine needles that are in there. When you take this out, you'll notice there's an airflow. The way the airflow is directed, it's listed on the filter, so just pay attention. When we put the new one in, it has to go in the same way. So for comparison, there you have the new one on the left and the old one on the right. So quite a bit of difference. 46,000 miles on a truck is probably time to do it. It's about 3.5 years old, so it's never been done. I'd probably recommend every year to get at this thing, but it's been a while, so now it's time to do it. I've got it all cleaned out, vacuumed out the needles there, and the airflow on this is in this direction. So when you look at the filter, has the arrow on it, it needs to be going this way. So go ahead and stick that in there, and then we'll be ready to go. That's all there is to it. Get the new one in. So then put the door back on, and then it's just kind of a quick reverse procedure. Getting that tab in there, that lower one in on that side. Let's just push it back. New cabin filters in. So then we'll go ahead and put the glove box back, and again, remember the gold tabs there. They go in those holes respectively, and then you'll hear it click. So line things up, just kind of give it a quick shove. You'll hear them click, and we're ready to go ahead and open this thing up, and then we can put the 4 screws back in, which are again here, here, and then 2 underneath. There's one that goes here on the side, and then one up here under this tray. You can see it right there. So I'll go ahead and put those in, wrap this up, call it a job done. That's how to replace the filter in a Silverado.